Guapo Joe, and I'm back with another video. Yeah! Today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day. Quick breakdown, on very low active days, which is usually my Sunday, I would like to rest a lot, rest my body, recover my nervous system, all that. So days like that, I'm eating 2,100 calories, and that's not including my spinach and watercress. So for me, if I'm very non-active and I'm just sitting around, my maintenance calories is around 2,200. So what I do is I track all my food except my spinach and my watercress, just because I feel like it's kind of a pain to track that, to weigh it all out. So I just estimate that I eat around 100 calories worth of spinach and watercress a day. So yeah, I track 2,100 calories. And then a day like today, I'm gonna be eating around 2,400 calories because I have weightlifting and baseball. But right now, I'm set at 2,400 calories. You guys will see I'm all about flexible dieting, flexible eating lifestyle. Just at the end of the day, I just wanna hit my calories and my protein, and I'm good. So yeah, let's hop into the first meal. Something good is cooking up. All right, so over here, have some egg whites cooking. 138 grams, which is 75 calories and 15 grams of protein. I have some white bread in the toaster. And then every morning, the first thing I eat after I drink my water is carrots. I always eat a whole bag of baby carrots. I just personally really like carrots, and I feel like they help me fill me up, and they have very good vitamins and all that. So it's something good. These are 30 calories. And another thing too, a great thing to track your calories is MyFitnessPal. It's either called MyFitnessPal or FitnessPal. I'll put the icon right there, and the link to the app will be in the description. It's a free app. It's really beneficial in tracking your calories, and also a food scale is very important too, to weigh out all your food. This is if you're serious about how many calories you're getting. If you want to put on weight, lose weight, whatever, highly recommend you get MyFitnessPal and a food scale. You weigh everything out. But yeah, Monday through Friday, I'm always tracking my calories. Sometimes on a Friday evening, if I go out to eat with my buddies, then I'm gonna have to estimate. But everything else is weighed out and all that. Like, I never want to binge on weekends because I get the foods I love every day. I'm just making low calorie versions. All right, so this is meal number one. I have egg white and turkey slice of bread sandwich, and then I have Anabolic Nutella sandwich. What I do, because these are huge slices of bread, so I just split it in half and eat it like that. Look how insane this is. Anabolic Nutella. It is my homemade recipe. If you guys want to see how to make anabolic Nutella yourselves, it's very simple, very easy. I'll put a link to the video. It's my most recent video. I'll put the link right here. And yeah, let's get to eating. Calories for this meal: 525 calories and 54 grams of protein. That's that. I'll probably also have some spinach and watercress when I'm done eating this. But again, like I said before, I do not track those calories. I'll catch you guys for meal number two. All right, so let's hop into meal number two. This is my pre-workout meal, or not this is my pre-practice meal before baseball. And I'm gonna make a little montage of the meal. Just finished up cooking my meal number two. This is my favorite meal of the day, honestly. It's French toast and 60 grams of sugar-free maple syrup. This meal comes out to 508 calories and 34 grams of protein. Now let me tell you something insane. All I did was replace eggs with egg whites and syrup with sugar-free maple syrup. That's it. If I didn't do that, if I cooked this with the same amount of eggs as I used egg whites and 60 grams of syrup, of just regular syrup, it would have came out to 915 calories and 25 grams of protein. So that's just an example that you can have a flexible diet and just manipulate little things like that, and they make insane changes. I literally just cut off like 400 calories just by making a little change of replacing the egg whites, or of replacing the eggs with egg whites and the syrup with sugar-free maple syrup. And then if you guys want to see my French toast recipe, it's delicious. It tastes so good. High protein, low calories. I have a whole anabolic recipes playlist. I'll put it in the description below. I'll put a link to in the description. I'll also put a link to my recipe playlist right here. It's insane. I have a ton of recipes on there. I have Oreo McFlurries, ice creams, French toast, pancakes. I have a ton of recipes, and I'm gonna just keep adding more and more recipes. So stay tuned. I have Anabolic Nutella. You guys gotta go check that one out. It's so good. I just highly recommend you go check out that playlist. I'm gonna finish eating this meal, gonna cook up some popcorn next, and then head to baseball. All right, guys, so this is the second part of my meal. A crap load of popcorn. Something that I've struggled with my entire life is I have a giant appetite. Anybody who knows me personally knows I have a huge appetite. That's how I was since I was little. I've always struggled with overeating. So I'm gonna put you guys on game right now. Remember this. There's a crazy trick if you're trying to cut and you have a big appetite. So see this popcorn right here. I'm not talking about that BS movie popcorn with all the butter and all that stuff. This 40 grams is 120 calories. All this popcorn right here is 120 calories. That's gonna fill me up, especially after the French toast. So I just put you guys on game. Remember that, I'm telling you. Popcorn is a game changer. It also has a ton of fiber, and fiber and protein helps keep you satiated and helps you fill you up, makes you feel full for longer periods of time. So yeah, this is my pre-baseball meal. I add these to my popcorn to make it have some flavor. This one's ranch, this one's jalapeno. I mix them. And these are such low calories. One serving of these is 2 calories. So I put 2 servings of each on. So in all, it's an extra 8 calories. I'm not gonna track that. 8 calories isn't gonna do anything at the end of the day. But yeah, so that's what I like to track. Or that's what I like to put in my popcorn, make it taste good. I'm telling you, man, popcorn is the #1 most hidden superfood. I'm gonna go get into that baseball workout soon. I'll catch you guys after practice. I just got back from baseball, just finished up that meal, 366 calories. Now I'm gonna make a milkshake and then rest for about probably an hour, get some studying done, get some work done, and then I'll probably hit a workout. So I just made this chocolate milkshake. Tastes really good. It's 344 calories, 50 grams of protein, and it's literally just strawberries, blueberries, and protein powder. Tastes delicious. Again, if you guys want to see that recipe, just go to my recipes, Anabolic recipes playlist. I have a ton of recipes on there. I'm gonna keep adding more and more recipes. And yeah, I'm gonna finish this, go take a shower, and I'll catch you guys on my next meal. So it's about midnight. I'm about to have my last meal, and I bumped my calories back down to 2,200 because I didn't hit the gym today. After baseball, I tweaked my back a little bit, my lower back, and it's nothing major, but I knew that if I worked out today, I would have made it much worse, and I'd rather take off today and work out tomorrow rather than try to push through the pain today and then possibly risking an injury for a week or 2, maybe even 3 weeks. I've done that before. I've tried to push through an injury, and you just can't do that. So that's a quick tip. If you feel an injury, just take the time off now, because if you take the time off now, it'll be a lot shorter than if you make your injury even worse. So my last meal before I go to bed, I get I get my vegetables and meat in. When you're sleeping, that's the prime muscle building stage. So I try to get my vitamins in right before I sleep. So this is spinach and watercress. Bag of carrots, another 30 calories. And then 8 slices of ham and 1 slice of turkey. I really like my ham. I know it's processed and all that, but it has great, very low calories, great protein, all that. But yeah, so that's what I eat right before I go to bed. Really helps. When I started eating this right before I went to bed, I really noticed I started to make some good muscle gains. And that's all for today's video. That's what I eat in a day as a college athlete. I'll put my final nutrients breakdown right here. And just remember, I know it's 2,000 calories. That's all I tracked. But this is my third plate today of spinach and watercress this size. So realistically, it's probably more, I ate probably more around 2,100 calories, which still, I wanted to hit 2,200 tracking calories, and then plus the vegetables, it would have been around 2,300. But it is what it is. I'll make up for it tomorrow. And that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. And if you're feeling generous, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below. I appreciate you guys for watching. Guapo out.